Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we are going to be making Marry Me chicken. So come on, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Now back here, I have a little bit of water coming up to a boil to boil some rigatoni pasta. And here I have my skillet with 2 tablespoons of olive oil coming up, heating up. Now the full recipe calls for 4 chicken breasts. I'm only making half. So I got 2 chicken breasts that you want to pat completely dry. Then we're going to season them with salt and pepper to your taste. And you're going to season both sides of them. So I'm going to season one side, get them in the skillet. Then I'm going to go ahead and season the other side. Now we're only going to cook these for about 20 minutes per side because they're going to finish cooking in the sauce in the oven. So I need 1/4 of a cup of chicken broth. I have chicken bone broth here. But because I'm only making half, I only need 1/4 of a cup. And I need 1/2 cup of heavy cream. I froze this, and I hate when I freeze it because then it don't want to come out. Gonna salt our pasta water. Okay, we need to turn our fire down so our pan will cool off. Take our chicken out of our skillet. Now you need the skillet to cool off. So I'm going to take it off of the burner for it to cool off a little bit. It's the only problem about using cast iron. Cast iron gets extremely hot. You need the equivalent of 3 cloves of garlic. Then we're going to add our heavy whipping cream and our chicken broth. And I just mixed them together in the same cup. And what you want to do is, this is like deglazing the pan. You just want to scrape up all them little brown bits that is in the bottom of the pan. And we're going to let this come up to a simmer. Now I have some cut broccoli. I'm going to add some to my pasta, just because I want some. And I think it'll go good with this Marry Me chicken. Okay, we came up to a simmer. Now we need to add a fourth of a cup of grated Parmesan. Whisk that around until it starts to melt. Then we're going to add in, the recipe calls for a third of a cup of diced sun-dried tomatoes, with a little bit of the oil that they come in. Then we're going to add our chicken back in there. Spoon the sauce over the chicken. I'll tell you what, this smells really good. And then we're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Or until your chicken reaches 165 degrees. So I will bring you guys back when it comes out of the oven. Okay guys, this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Now we need to let it sit for about 5 minutes. So I'll bring you back when I make my plate. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. So now what I'm doing is I'm just spooning some of the sauce over top of my pasta and my chicken. I did sprinkle some shredded Parmesan cheese on top of the chicken. And I made some garlic toast. So there you have it, guys. That's what's for dinner. Marry me chicken. So let's give it a taste. Okay, we got some chicken with some sun-dried tomato. That is really good. I've seen this recipe for the last couple years, and I wasn't for sure if I'd like it. But this is really good. So if you never had this, give this a try because it really is good. And if If you don't think you like sun-dried tomatoes, you can chop them up fine. Or I've seen some places sell sun-dried tomato paste. You could use that. But this is really good. So give it a try. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my videos. I would appreciate it. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button down below. If you would like to help support the channel, there is a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wishlist and our PayPal account in the description box below. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. And this recipe will be in the description box. Bye-bye.